Hello everyone. In this video we'll be solving a logical reasoning set from CAT 17. The question is, at a management school the oldest M dorms numbered 1 to 10 need to be repaired urgently. The following diagram represents the estimated repair cost in rupees crores for the 10 dorms. For any dorm, the estimated repair cost in rupees crores is an integer. Repairs with estimated cost rupees 1 or 2 crores are considered light repairs. Repairs with estimated cost rupees 3 or 4 crores are considered moderate repairs, and repairs with estimated cost rupees 5 or 6 crores are considered extensive repairs. So we have this diagram. We have been given light repair, moderate repair and extensive repair. We have been given the number of dorms on the y-axis and estimated repair cost on the x-axis. So if I read this graph, I can say that number of dorms that need 1 crore rupee to be repaired, they are 2. Number of dorms that require 2 crore rupees to be repaired, they are 1. Then for this blue one, this means moderate repair. So number of dorms that require 3 crore rupees to be repaired, they are 3. We have one dorm which needs 4 crore rupees to be repaired, one dorm which needs 5 crore rupees to be repaired, and 2 dorms which need 6 crore rupees to be repaired. So that is how we have to read this graph. After that, further the following information is known. First one is, odd numbered dorms do not need light repair, even numbered dorms do not need moderate repair, and dorms whose numbers are divisible by 3 do not need extensive repair. So this is basically the number of dorms, and according to the number of dorms we have been given what are the possible repairs for that dorm. Next one is, dorm 4 to 9 all need different repair cost, with dorm 7 needing the maximum and dorm 8 needing the minimum. So we have also been given dorms 4 to 9, they all should have different repair cost, and 7 and 8 they should have maximum and minimum repair cost. So that's it. Let us see what do we need to find out. First question is, which of the following is not necessarily true? So first one is, dorm 1 needs a moderate repair, then dorm 5 repair will cost no more than 4 crores, dorm 7 needs an extensive repair. So basically we have to find out what can be the possible repairs that a particular dorm needs. Second one is, what is the total cost of repairing the odd number dorms in rupees crores? So this can be answered only when we have all the dorm numbers and we also know what is their repairing cost, then only we can answer these. Third question is, suppose further that, so this is condition 1, 4 of the 10 dorms needing repair are women's dorms and need a total of rupees 20 crores for repair. Second one is, only one dorms of 1 to 5 is a women's dorm. What is the cost for repairing dorm 9 in rupees crores? So this also needs the same, but here we have a new set of conditions. So let us go to the next slide. We'll form a table in which we'll write down the possible repairs for every dorm. In parallel, we'll also keep noting down whatever direct clues we have. Like if we are given that this particular dorm needs this much money, we'll directly put that into the table. Let's go to the next slide. So first of all, we were given that there is something called light repair, then moderate repair, and then we had extensive repair. For light repairs, here we were given that odd numbered dorms do not need light repair, even numbered dorms do not need moderate repair. So odd numbered dorms, they do not need light repair. So that means in light repairs we cannot have an odd number over here, and even numbered dorms, they do not need moderate repair, so here we will not have any even number. For this extensive repair, we are given that dorms whose numbers are divisible by 3 do not need extensive repair. So divisible by 3, they do not need extensive. That means those which are not divisible by 3, they will need extensive repair. So we have dorm numbers from 1 to 10 given to us. So 1 might need extensive repair, 2, then 4, 5, then after that 6, 7, 8 and 10. They might need extensive repair. In moderate, we cannot have an even number, so we'll have odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. In light repairs, what can be the possibilities? There should be no odd number, so all even, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these are the possible dorms that might need this light, moderate and extensive repair. Let me also form a table in which I'll be putting all these dorm numbers from 1 to 10, D1, D2, D3 up to 10, and I'll write down whatever cost they need if I get any clue in between. So I've written down all the DOM numbers. Now we were clearly given that DOM 7 needs the maximum. So what is the maximum repairing cost over here? It is 6 crores. So DOM 7 will directly write down 6 crore over here. After that, DOM 8 needs the minimum cost. What is the minimum repairing cost? It is 1 crore. So DOM 8, I'll write 1 crore. So we can see that we have decided costs for D7 and D8. So to have less confusion, let me remove DOM number 7 and 8 wherever they are in this table above. By eliminating, I am reducing the possibilities. So 7 would be gone and 8 would be gone from here, 7 would be gone from here, 8 would be gone from here. Then we were given that DOMs 4 to 9 all need different repair cost. So 4 to 9 all should have different repairing costs. And apart from that, we also know that DOM 1, 3, 5, 9, they are the only ones that require moderate repairing. And moderate repairing costs are 3 or 4 crores. And we can see that from DOM 4 to 9, here DOM 5 and DOM 9, they fall into this range of DOM 4 to 9 because they all have different repairing cost. So 5 and 9, they will only have moderate repairing cost, that means 3 or 4 crores. We have no condition where we can exactly determine what would be the repairing cost for DOM 5 and DOM 9, but we can surely say that they will have repairing cost 1 out of 3 or 4 crores because they belong to the category of moderate repairs. So 5 and 9, I can write 3 or 4 crores and 4 or 3 crores. Let me also write down the number of DOMs. Here it will be 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2. Now we need to decide the cost for DOM 4 and DOM 6, and they should also be different. So they should be having repair cost either of 2 or 5 crores because from DOM 4 to DOM 9, they all should have different repairing costs. We have already used 3, 4, 1, 6. So only repairing costs remaining are 2 and 5. So D4 and D6, they should have repairing cost 1 out of 2 or 5 crore. And we can see that DOM 4, it is belonging to the category of extensive repair, but DOM 6 doesn't belong to the category of extensive repair. So which one will have repairing cost of 5 crores? It will be DOM 4. DOM 6 will have a repairing cost of 2 crores. So we are done with this much. I hope this is understood. So now we are also clear with DOM 4 and DOM 6. So let me remove 4 and 6. So we have 4, 6 here, they will be removed. Then I have 4 here, it will be removed. Now there was only one DOM that had repairing cost of 5 crore and it is DOM 4. So we'll not be putting anything into the this box of DOM 4. So I'll just highlight it with a red mark over here. We can also see that there is only one DOM that can have repairing cost of 4 crores and it can only be one out of DOM 5 of DOM 9. So there will be no further possibilities for DOM 5 and DOM 9. Then there was only one DOM having repairing cost of 2 crore, that is D6. So I'll put a red mark over here. So now since everything is fixed for DOM 5 and DOM 9, they can have only repairing cost of 3 or 4 crores. I'll be removing 5 and 9 from everywhere. So 5 will be removed from here, 5 will be removed from here, 9. So these are the DOM numbers I'm left with. So we are left with 1 and 3 in this moderate repair. We know that moderate repair, that means 3 or 4 crores. 4 crores was only 1. So rest of the DOMs 1 and 3, they will have repairing cost of 3 crore because there were 3 DOMs having repairing cost of 3. So they'll be 1 and 3. So 1 will have repairing cost of 3 and 3 will also have repairing cost of 3. So I'll again remove 1 and 3 from everywhere. Why will I remove 1 and 3? Because see, only 3 DOMs could have repairing cost of 3 and I have found those 3. Definitely D1 will be that DOM, D3 will be that DOM, and one DOM out of D5 or D9 will have repairing cost of 3 crore. So I have found all the 3 DOMs that can have a repairing cost of 3 crore. I'm done with this as well. So that is why I'll remove 1 and 3 from everywhere. So these will be gone, 1 will be removed from extension category as well. Now we are left only with DOM numbers 210 here, 210 here, and they can have a cost of light repair as well and extensive repair as well. So what is the cost of light repair? It is 1. So yes, 2 can have a repairing cost of 1, as well as it can have a repairing cost of 6 crore, because extensive means 6 crore. So 6, and D10 can have 6 or 1. So I hope the formation of table is clear to you now. I have covered all the DOMs and all the costs possible. Using this I can answer the first question. Which of the following is not necessarily true? First one is DOM 1 needs a moderate repair. So 3 means moderate. Yes, this is true. Second one, DOM 5 repair will cost no more than 4 crores. So this is also true. DOM 7 needs an extensive repair. DOM 7 6 crore. Yes, extensive repair. Last one is DOM 10 repair will cost no more than 4 crores. So this is wrong. It can cost 6 crore as well. So this is not necessarily true. Option D will be the correct answer to the first question. Now we can solve all the questions. The second question is, what is the total cost of repairing the odd numbered DOMs in crores? So odd numbered DOMs. Odd, that means 1, so 3. Then DOM 3, 3. DOM 5, it will have repairing cost of 3 or 4. So in one case I'll take 3, in one case I'll take 4. Then DOM 7 will have repairing cost of 6. DOM 9, it will have repairing cost of 4 or 3. So if I include 4 here, I'll have to put 3 over here. That's it. What is the total cost? In first case it is 3, 3, 3, 9, 9, 10, 19 crore. In the second case as well, 3, 3, 4, that means 10, 16, 19, again 19 crore in the second case. So yes, 19 crores. 19 crores is the correct answer to this question. Third question is, suppose further that 4 of the 10 DOMs needing repair are women DOMs and need a total of 20 crores for repair. Second condition is, only one of the DOMs 1 to 5 is a women DOM. What is the cost for repairing DOM 9 crores? So it is saying that 4 DOMs will belong to women. So 4 DOMs, they'll belong to women. They will all have total cost of repairing equal to 20 crores. So how is a sum of 20 possible with 4 numbers? It is only possible when we have 6, 6, 5, 3 in the sum. So that means the DOMs that will belong to women, 4 DOMs, they will have repairing cost 6, 6, 5, 3 crore. And we have been given that only one DOM out of 1 to 5 is a women's DOM. So that means we'll choose one DOM from 1 to 5 that will have repairing cost from any of these 6, 6, 5, 3. So let me go back. So we came to choose one DOM out of D1 to D5 that can have cost 6, 6, 3 or 5 crore. So we know that one DOM will come from here, 3 DOMs will be taken from here. They should all have a cost of 20 crores, and the cost that we need are 6, 6, 5 and 3. So if I take a DOM of 6 crores from here, I should have DOMs of cost 6, 5, 3 over here. So is that possible? No, because I do not have any DOM which can give me a cost of 5 crores from these 3. So this case is not possible. This is not possible. If I take a DOM having cost 5 over here, I should have DOMs having cost 6, 6, 3 over here. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible when D4 is the women's DOM here, and 3 DOMs having cost 6, 6, 3 from here should be this D7, D10 and D9. So this is a possible case, and here I am getting the cost of repairing D9 equal to 3 crore, because this is what we have been asked in the second question. Another case could have been, I would have taken DOM having cost 3 crore from here and 6, 6, 5 from here. But is that possible? No, because there is no DOM in these 3 having a repairing cost of 5 crore. So this case is not possible. Only possible case is this one. A DOM having cost 5 crore from here and 663 from here. That will be DOM 4 here, and we have chosen the other 3 from here. So answer to the third question would be 3 crore. I hope this is clear. Fourth one is, suppose further that first condition, 4 of the 10 DOMs needing repair are women's DOMs and need a total cost of 20 crore for repair. Only one of the DOMs 1 to 5 is a women DOM. So these conditions are exactly similar to the third one. which of the following is a women's dorm? So we just found a dorm. Only one case was possible when one dorm could have repairing cost of 5 crore from 1 to 5. So that dorm was D4 over here. So, and apart from that, we took 3 dorms from here as well out of these 3. So they were D7, then D10 and D9. So we need to choose which one is a women dorm. So we have D4, 7, 9, 10. 4, 7, 9, 10. In the option there is only one dorm, 10 present. That could be women's dorm. That is at women's dorm, sorry. So that is how you have to solve this question. This was a very good question. I hope the process was clear to you. You have to proceed very carefully, because if you miss a case, you might end up solving all the questions incorrectly. If there's still a doubt, please comment. Thank you.